I need help. I have got way too many clothes and need to do a bit of a clean out. I literally have all of these and all of these. So I need to do a massive clean out and I need your help. I'm gonna try on some pieces and I need to know if I should keep or chuck. And then whatever we pick to chuck, I need help deciding what to do with it. Whether I donate it, chuck it, or give it away. So first up is the very dress I'm wearing now. The front and back. Keep or chuck. Dress number 2. Dress number 3. Dress number 4, which I've had to put shorts underneath because I didn't realize it's actually like a nude dress. So there's no lining underneath except for like a bodysuit. So shorts underneath for that one. So keep or chuck. Dress number 5. Dress number 6. Dress number 7. And lucky last, dress number 8. So let me know which I should keep, which I should chuck. Leave it in the comments and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of these. I'm going to be making this a bit of a series. I have so many clothes to go through and I need your help deciding which to keep, which to chuck, and then what I should do with them, whether I give them away, take them to an op shop, or just chuck them in the bin. So help me out, leave a comment, let me know which ones to keep or chuck, subscribe so you can follow along in this journey.